Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I am here with a collective haul for you. The stores that I went to were, I ordered some things off of Amazon. I found some really cute Christmas items at Walmart. I found a new dollar store by my house called Giant Dollar. And if there's any other stores, I'll tell you. Plus you'll see in the description of the video. Okay, so let's get started with some things that I found on Amazon, and I'm probably going to show some of these to you on my computer because it's just easier. Let me see here. So I got two dies, and I was so excited that they had this Halloween die for $5.99. It's a cute cat. It's actually two cats. They're so adorable. And they have a sentiment. It says cute but spooky. So let me show you on my computer. Well, first let me show you the second die, and then I'll show you both of them on my computer. I also found another die from KSCraft on Amazon, and it is of a little like Christmas themed snow globe. This is super cute. Like you take this and you put it in the background like it's like snow drifts. And you can put like trees and snowflakes. You could just like put like a cute little scene in here. Okay, so let me pull this down. So here we have the Halloween die. These are I just called Black Cat's metal cutting dies. So cute. So you can like color the eyes in different colors. You can use a little sentiment on different things. And then the second one is that snow globe, but I actually pulled the picture up. So you can see how pretty that is. Look at that. So I got those two. Then, let me move this out of the way. I also, let's see. I also went to the 99 and picked up a few things. They had these black skeletons, and I already have some of the clear ones, and I have like the bone colored ones, but I saw these black ones and I was like, oh, I gotta get those. And then there's also this, it's called Fright Tape for $1, and I thought this would be fun to like decorate Halloween like outgoing packaging with. And let's see, oh, I also have some AliExpress, two things from AliExpress. So I got this bow die, which it's a bow shaker die, and I can't remember off the top of my head what store it's from, but I will link it. So I thought it was really cute. I haven't tried it yet, and the store is not one I've normally bought from before, but I will definitely link it. And then also from Ali, I got this die. So you might remember the video from Sue Young. She entered the birthday challenge entry, my birthday challenge entry, and so many people wanted to know where she got the dies that she used. So this was one of them. This was the swan that she used on my on her ATC card. Let me see if I can find her ATC card. Where did I put it? Where did I put my book? I found it. Okay, let me pull hers out. So a lot of people were wondering like what die she used. That was the die that she used for that. So I'll link it below. And then a lot of people were wanting to know which dies she used for the leaves and for the little pumpkins. And I got both of those dies. I've already shown the leaves, but I'll link it below. And I also got the pumpkins. I'm going to show that in this video, and then I'll link it below. And then I'm going to link her video below in case you guys haven't seen it, because you'll want to know, like, what do you mean? Like, everybody wanted to know. Yeah, they wanted to know, like, where she got her dies from, because they were just really cute. So there's the swan. I will link that for you. Then these were the pumpkin dies that she used. And I got these from Amazon. And this is what they look like. So I will go ahead and link those below as well. And then also from Amazon, I wanted to try making some like little cotton candies, like little like faux cotton candies. And so I got this set of what is this called? It's called, I think it's called like felt fiber maybe. So I thought it was pretty because it had a bunch of different colors. So I got that. I'll link it for you. And then I also got these Lollipop Sticks. And I liked this set because it had all sorts of different colors in it. So you have like your basic white, but then you also have a bunch of other different colors. And then what else? So this is also from the 99. I just found these super cute little trick-or-treat bags with little pumpkins on them. And then from Walmart, I found these pretty glitter spiders, which I thought were so cool. And then also from Walmart, I found these fun, cute little stretchy skeletons. How much were these? These were only 98 cents. And let's see. Here's that new dollar store that I was talking about. Now, I don't know if they're everywhere. Oh, wait a minute. I've also got Walmart in here. I don't know if this store like is everywhere, but it was by me. I'll do Walmart last because I got some like really cute things at Walmart. I'll put those to the side. But here's some of the things I got from this dollar store that I found. It's called Giant Dollar. And I got these really pretty, like, what are they called? They're called stone stickers. But like, look how pretty those are. And these were only $1. So I got those. And then they also had them in purple. I'm going to see something really quick. I want to see. Oh, okay. So they're like in a strip. So you can take off a full strip and put them on something, or you could just cut them off individually and use them. So that's kind of neat because they're in a strip. You could like totally decorate something really quickly by just putting like the whole strip on there. I also got them in blue. So that was those. And then I have a project coming up where I'm making something really big, and the standard straw is just not going to hold it, I don't think. So I found these Dowel Sticks for $1. They were only $6. And they're pretty thick. Oops, they're pretty thick, and so I think they're going to be pretty sturdy for what I need them for. And then I found these, which are super pretty. I know you can get these at the dollar store, and you can also get them at Hobby Lobby. But usually you can only get them at Christmas time. So this store had them in like their regular section. It wasn't like, oh, these are for Christmas or these are for Halloween. It was like in their regular section. So hopefully they carry them all the time. I got 2 of them, and these were $1.29. So it's one of those dollar stores where it's like everything's $1 unless otherwise marked type deal. Kind of like Daiso. These were also $1.29, and these were just some cute little heart doilies. Then I found these, which I thought were kind of neat, and we can open them up. They're tins. They're just little tins, and they came in all different kinds of colors. So of course I had to get the pink and the mint, but they're pretty significant size. So there's the pink, and then I'm thinking like I can put, because I wanted to find the ones that I saw. Who did I see have these? They put their sequins mix in them. It might have been Tony from Craft Purge, where she got them at the Dollar Tree. And like, I think they might already come with the magnet. I think they're plastic, and you can just like put them on one of your like metal rolling carts. You can just stick them on there. But I could not find those at the Dollar Tree, so I found these at this dollar store, and I figure I could just put a magnet on the back, just glue it. But yeah, that, oh wait, sorry, I'm like going on and I'm forgetting to show you Walmart. So then Walmart, I got some really cute nails for Halloween. So aren't those super fun? My hubby actually picked these ones out. And they also glow in the dark. So there's those. And then these ones glow in the dark. I picked these ones out. I really like the purple glitter. So I thought those would be fun. I might put those on sometime this month. I'll definitely wear a pair for Halloween, and then maybe another pair before then. And then Walmart had the cutest little Christmas miniature ornaments. Oh my goodness. What's today? Today is October 3rd. I'm filming this. I went there yesterday, October 2nd. And it's funny, like I am still not seeing like some of the Halloween stuff that people are hauling. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if this is going on everywhere, but in California, like off of San Pedro, we have hundreds and hundreds of ships just parked. We have truck drivers that are furious because they can't pick up their loads. They're waiting all day long and still not getting a load. I mean, I have no idea. I don't know if it's our government. I don't know what it is, but it is so frustrating. So I was talking to the people at Walmart and they're like, yeah, our shipments are just, they're not coming in and they're sitting out there on ships. Yeah, just, I don't know. So anyway, it's weird. Like they only have some Halloween and then Christmas is already trickling in. So even like their Christmas aisle was like almost bare, but it still had some cute stuff. And then their Halloween aisles are like, there's barely anything there. And it's just like, it's crazy. Anyway, I'll stop ranting. So I got these super cute little ornaments. I thought these would be fun to hang on like Christmas projects or what have you, or if you have like a mini Christmas tree. So these were only $1.98 for 6. I ended up getting 2 of those. And then I also got these, which I thought were super cute. Look at the little reindeer. And then I also got these right here. And they had these in other colors too, like they had pink and white. And, you know, I didn't want to buy the whole store. Although I was tempted, maybe next time when I go back. But anyway, that was my haul, guys, my collective haul. I hope you enjoyed. I also went to Dollar Tree yesterday and I found some stuff from the Dollar Tree. So some stuff I hadn't seen before. So I will be sharing that sometime this week. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.